We were using a system that was really on the fringe, and I wanted a system that would truly take us to that next level.
Before we had Plex, in estimating, we used to collect it and put it in an envelope and then throw it in a drawer.
We used a system that was not very user-friendly, and on top of it, it didn't house everything, so we had many spreadsheets and access databases.
Now we attach everything in Plex, so it's there at a moment's notice, and whoever has permissions to see it can see it. It's there, and it's quickly viewed by everybody. We leverage the data that Plex gives us to be more collaborative, and we're all using a common data point.
We use that to do our business plans, to track our inventory, to know how much downtime there is, to know where employees stand, and more importantly, because we're open book, get our employees engaged in understanding why these numbers are important.